Hello and welcome back to part 2 of the egg box railway scenery. As you can see, we've made some slight progress. Little progress here with the piers, with the raised elevations. So as you can see, if you're moulding the glued up egg box plate, which is actually quite pulpy. The egg box card is actually quite pulpy and it's quite good to model with. You get it a bit soggy and you can mould it into different shapes. So as you can see there, the track go right through there, no problem. I've had to cut the sides slightly so the locos won't catch on the edges, because they can catch and that will obviously just derail the trains. Some more little piers here, a little bit more modelling. Also got some more bracing in there, you can see. A couple more there. You can see there where I've braced it again after cutting that out, so the trains can go through. I shall put some more inside as well to strengthen it there. Over here we've got some packing shapes, so just basically packing circles for glass objects, I think. But what a lot of us could see here is a great idea for a train tunnel entrance. So I've cut it in half. I should get probably another couple out of that, so we can start modelling some tunnels there. It's fairly effective. You get the textural feel to it and look. So there's a nice texture there with that. And also you can obviously build up the brickwork, the brick or stonework around the rim of the tunnel there. So I hope that gives a few of you something to go on. Maybe you can improve on the versions I've made, I don't know, but there's lots going for it, I think. Just got to keep at it now. See where it will take us next. So there's still quite a bit of work to be done, but as you can see, it's developed from its early stages. It's developed a fair way, with a bit more graft and things. So be back soon. Bye. Thanks for watching.